Right, so children, this week we have been counting up in twos, and today we're going to do it using a number line, and instead of going to 10 we're going to go all the way to 20 if we can. So if I was going to count up in ones, children, I would go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But I don't want to count up in ones because we're learning how to count up in twos. So I'm going to start at 0 and then I'm going to say every second number. So I'm going to do 2 jumps every time. So can you follow it with me? We're going to go 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Should we do it again? And I want you to see if you can see a pattern. Ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now this time, children, I've covered up every other number. I've covered up the 1, the 3, the 5, the 7, the 9, every other number. Now they're called the odd numbers, and we're left with the even numbers. Now we'll say them again, and then I wondered whether you can notice a pattern with them. We'll start at 0. Ready? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now have a look at those numbers, or grown-ups, you could do it on your number line and see whether you can notice a pattern. I'll give you a clue. Which numbers have got a 0 in them? It's 0, 10 and 20. Right, which numbers have got a 2 in them? It's 2 and 12. Then which numbers have got a 4 in them? It's 4 and 14. Now look, we're moving on to, because remember there's a number underneath here, 13's under there, 3's under here. We're moving on to, so we're going from 12, which is a 10 and a 2, to 14, which is a 10 and a 4. So, which numbers have got a 6? You're right, it's number 6. Then it's 16. So we've got 6, and then 16 is a 10 and a 6. Which numbers have got an 8? It's number 8 and 18, because 18 is a 10 and an 8. So all of these numbers past 10 is a 10 and a 2, a 10 and a 4, a 10 and a 6, a 10 and an 8. Actually, this one is a 10 and a 10. But children, if you get your number lines and you cover over the odd numbers, like I have a little look at the pattern and see what you can find out.